This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Towne Realty property video is presented by Worthen. Welcome to low maintenance luxury in River Breeze. This 3-bedroom, 2.5 bath boasts upgraded kit cabinets, smooth top stove, eat-in kitchen, formal dining room and living room. Open concept with wood floor downstairs, carpet upstairs. Fresh paint. Spacious primary west/ice block window and jetted tub/separate shower. Back patio fenced in. Gas hot water heater new 2021, HVAC new 2021. West/FPO $4,000 applied toward upgrade of choice. Condo fees include water/sewer/trash/ground maintenance. Near bases, interstates, and shopping. For more information